This is a STEARsoft Cloud Server tutorial on shared classes. If we go to Demo 3 Teacher, then we can see that their timetable has 8R, but only for half the week. If I go to 8R, we've got Monday and Tuesday and just half of Wednesday. So what I'm going to do is go in as another teacher, Demo 4, and I'm going to add a class. I'm going to add 8R. Same name, has to be the same name to match up in a bit. Year 8 and priority class. It matches up on priority classes as well. Add that class and then add students. So I am going to use this one rather than this one. This is taking students from existing classes. So this is that class that's with Demo 3. I'm just going to import it. So I have now exactly the same students. I now need to enter the timetable. So it's going to be Wednesday afternoon and Thursday and Friday. So let's save those changes. It's prompting me to make my timetable. I'm going to do the details because I'm not going to just do from today onwards. I'm going to do all dates. I backdate it and see up till now as well. Create now. There they are, home page. So now this is 8R and it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is doing the second half of the week, and Demo User 3 is doing the first half of the week. Now comes the extra little bit of patching up. If I go to class details, job share, show options, the default is to hide sessions, but if I change this to show sessions and save that and then go back to the register, then now I'm seeing the sessions from Demo 3 and my sessions. So I can get the overview of the whole week, but I can see which ones are my sessions and which ones I have responsibility for. So you can toggle this on and off as appropriate for your needs. Also, you can, if depending on how the settings are set up, it might be that you don't have write access to the other person's register, because maybe by default teachers don't have the ability to change other people's registers. If you want to override that in a job share situation, again you can do that. You can set up special access rights just for this class. So I can give Demo 3 read and write access to this class. So if I have teachers generally not able to do that, but Demo 3 does, I could do that, for instance. So that's it. If I go back to here, actually, well, let's just put a bit of mark some things. If I put 1, 2, 3, I'm absent, I'm present, save that, and I can also put some marks into Demo 3's register. So let's finish being that teacher, and now I'm going to go back in as Demo 3. So now if I go to the 8R register, there's the 3 extra ones I put in, and in this register, as this teacher, if I want to see the sessions owned by the other teachers, I can put that in. And if I want to give Demo 4 the ability to read and write, make sure, then I've now got the similar view, only this is my active area, and that's their bit. This is shaded light blue. In fact, let's change that again. Let's not give them access. Okay, and let's switch off teachers and power teachers having write access. Let's save that. So this is fine here. I have ability to change the other person's register, but I've denied ability for user 4 to do the same back. So if I log in as this teacher, go to 8R, then now it's a sort of dull red rather than a dull blue. I can't change that. I've got only read access, so I can still see the other half of my class, but I can't change it. And so there's feedback to tell you what's going on there. That's it really for shared classes. Hopefully you find that a useful feature. Thank you for listening.